Okay, class. So, a polynomial can have constants, variables, and
Hoy, Gison! Tawag ka naman principal.
Oh, sige. Class dismiss. Keepers, please clean the room. Thank you.
My bag is so heavy. My bag is so heavy.
Wait lang, Atasha.
This is unbelievably heartbreaking. And I can't just stand here and do nothing about it. I can't ignore this. I'll do anything. I need coffee.
Let me just throw out this paper ball. It would be such a shame if there was a high-quality closed-circuit television watching my every move.
Ano yun?
Shut up, Atasha.
Oh, napapunta pala kayo dito Ano na? Ang project ni Claire ay sa camera. Ginawa niya ito ng program na pwede gamitin sa lahat. Gamit ng mga data na may kakayana, ma-detect at ma-analyze ang mga tao na nagtatapon ng basura kung saan-saan. Tapos ito ay isasend sa isang data storage na may ESP32. At ang ginawa ni Claire ay nasa office ko ang system upang makita ko ang mga kolokoy na nagtatapon. Kapag may nagtapon, malalaman ko agad kung sino. Ngayon, anong masasabi niyo sa sarili niyo?
Sorry po, sir.
Hindi po namin sinasadya.
Some people act like bystanders, feeling no sense of responsibility, but even when no one is watching, someone still cares. The amnesia spares none. It doesn't punish, it reminds us. It teaches us to see.